Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Scale Marketing YouTube channel. At Smart Scale Marketing, we help businesses to scale the marketing operations with the help of smart processes, systems, and team. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed demo of a Notion-powered affiliate website management system that can help affiliate marketers like you to manage and scale your affiliate website operations with ease. Once you purchase the template, you will be redirected to this page automatically. You simply have to click on duplicate in the top right corner. If you already have a Notion account, you can add it to your workspace. If you're new to Notion, you can easily sign up. For the purpose of this demo, I'm using an imaginary affiliate website by the name myaffiliatewebsite.com. You can simply remove this and add the name of your own affiliate website. So once you do that, the entire template has been divided into two main dashboards based on user roles. One is a dashboard for the admin, and one is a common dashboard that will be accessible to your entire team. Let me walk you through the admin dashboard first. When you land on the admin dashboard, at the very top, you will see link to your content calendar. This is the master content calendar, which will highlight every piece of content that is in your pipeline. It's a very powerful content calendar system, and I'll show you how you can configure it as per your requirement. So the entire content calendar system constitutes of three main databases, content items, which comprises of different types of content that you'll publish, anything from a blog post to a social media post to a story, video. You can add the different content types here, okay, with the status, what is the hub content, and many more. So you can go through all the related fields to understand like what are all you can do, and you can add your own custom properties here. What's the plan date, what's the publish date, those kind of details. The content item gets published on a content channel, which is basically something like your Facebook page or your personal Facebook page, your website. All these are content channels. Content channels are connected to content platforms. We are using a separate channels and platforms because, just for an example, say on Facebook, you can have a personal profile, your team members profile, your business profile. So all these can be grouped under a main content platform. I hope you are able to understand how it works. It can be easily customized and to cover every piece of content that you're working on. So you do not need to create any other view. You just can manage everything in a single database. And then what's more interesting is that this is the planned calendar that you are seeing in the calendar view. You can toggle and see in table view also. So, and you can create your own custom views as well. So this is the content calendar. Then you have a dedicated team section to list all the members who are working on your affiliate website, including yourself. This is all dummy data. You can add your own team members. Basically, you need to share access. I'll talk more about it when I talk about the common dashboard. You can see who is who, graphic designer, writer, copywriter, everything. So this makes things very easy for you to manage. Then we have a dedicated section just around your website's SEO. These are divided into four major areas: keyword research, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. When I talk about keyword research, it comprises of two major databases, the keywords database and keyword groups database. The keywords database basically lists all the keywords that you are optimizing for or want to create a page for, everything in one place, and they are grouped by a keyword group. So basically the idea is that now Google doesn't really need you to optimize around a single keyword. They want you to optimize around a group of keywords around a particular topic. This is what we are bringing, the concept we are trying to bring here. So the keyword groups basically has a name. You can give it any name, and then all the relevant keywords will come here. Then there will be a primary keyword, say that you can mark that under this, which is the primary one. And you can also see the cumulative search volume, and then you can map this keyword group to a content item that you plan to work on or you have worked on in the past. So that gives a clear indication of what keywords have been captured, what keywords we need. There's an opportunity that we can work on. Going back to the section, on-page SEO basically lists all the SEO focused pages that you need to be working on. Off-page SEO, let me open this database, is where you can manage all your link building outreach activities. The website you want to get a link from, their DA, you can add your custom parameters, linking strategy, like what is the status? Do I need to do the outreach? Outreach is in progress. Have you acquired the link? Who is the contact person? What's their contact email? And what link asset are we like to what page that we have? It's so do we want the link to? So it makes things very easy. For technical SEO, you can manage all the related tasks in one place. For example, say improve site speed is a task. You can easily assign it to a team member who is supposed to take care of that, say a developer, and set a due date, related content item, if any, status, and get going. Now, talking about monetization, so there's a dedicated area with a list of databases to manage your revenue. There is a all revenue database to keep a log of all the revenue that you are earning through various sources, like the revenue, what's the type, is it from an affiliate program, ad network, digital download, or is it miscellaneous? What is the revenue that you earned? What was the payment date, linking to the program or the ad network? Then you can manage all your affiliate programs in one place. Besides, if you also expanding your revenue sources through ad networks and digital products, you can manage them easily here. Next, so revenue is one thing. What you really care about is profit, and to calculate profits, you would need to understand your expenses. You can keep a log of all your expenses, everything from the cost of a software purchase, paying an invoice, the recurring subscription in one place. Then, because you'll be working with a team of writers, designers, there would be invoices being raised. You can manage all of them in one place through the invoices database, which is linked to the expenses database. Now, over time, building your own knowledge base is really important. And here you will get option to manage all your internal resources. So process documents, SOPs, wikis, guides, everything in one place. And this you can share with your entire team. So you can reuse your most commonly used resources again and again, which saves a lot of time. Next, you may find a lot of good resources externally. You can also log them in this database. There will be a lot of tools you'll be using to reach scalability, manage your processes, automate stuff. You can manage all your tools in one place. The tools database is connected to the passwords credentials database and other databases. You can manage all your passwords in one place, which is just with you. So if you ever have to customize it, and so you have access to all the files, everything. The system files, admin only access has files only that the admin can access. When you, basically the person who purchases the templates automatically becomes the admin. You can add more people with admin access. Otherwise, you can add them to a common dashboard. The other files are basically the common files that will be shared with everyone in your team. I'll talk more about it. You have a dedicated help and support section. I'll add the video here so you can refer it anytime. You can raise a support ticket up to 10 days from the date of purchase if you find any technical difficulties. Now, let me move on and show you the common area that your team would be looking at. It's very similar to the admin dashboard, but doesn't have give access to certain, confidential stuff like revenue and other stuff that you do not want to. You can always give them access if needed, but this is something pre-configured for you. What you just need to do is click on share, add the email IDs of your team members, give them edit access just on this page, and they'll have access to everything under it. You do not have to worry. Okay. And one good thing about Notion is you can add up to 5 guest users. So a small team for your affiliate website would suffice. If you ever have to add more members, you can go with the personal pro plan, which costs around $4 to $5, or the another plan which allows them each of them to have their own workspace, dedicated workspace. But it's up to you, like how do you want to scale. But it's quite economical to add more members if you want to in the future. So just like you, the admin, the team also has an access to the same content calendar so that everybody is on the same page. The team members, website SEO resources, they do not have access to revenue, expenses, and other stuff that only admin should see. Another good thing is every team member, say Alisa, the writer, will have their own dedicated workspace which they can customize. So if I come here, like I've already configured it as the admin, so Alisa sees all the content items that she has been assigned, and she doesn't have to go anywhere else. She can just bookmark this URL that is for her and get working, on a day-to-day basis. You can pre-configure the dashboard for each of the team members when you're onboarding them, and make it very easy for them to start working as soon as possible. Overall, this entire template has been made thoughtfully for affiliate marketers to manage and scale their affiliate websites. You can get this template for a tiny investment in return for the scale you will be able to achieve. I've added the purchase link to the template in the description below. Do check it out. Thank you for watching this demo video. I hope you'll find this template useful and wish you lots of success with your affiliate website.